my camera at home today, but I thought I'd go ahead and show how I'm, bringing up this well point because, using my phone camera here. But anyway, yeah, I got this like floor jack here hooked up to it, okay, and then I just pump it up, okay, and okay, I'll just kind of get it out a few inches at a time, and then I have to reset the jack and everything about maybe about every 6 inches. But luckily the well is only like 20 feet deep, so can't be too bad. So I'll show you what I got when I got it all out. All right, here we go. All right. Now this was a surprising turn of events here for me. Found out that this well point was actually, this well went down a lot more than just 20 feet. It's more like 40 feet. So anyway, I went ahead and here's my new foot valve here, okay? So this is of course is the old one. This is the new one I'm making up. And so you can see here now, let's see, all the way down here now, okay, here's the new check valve, and here's the old one, and then so I think what I'm going to do up here, where the well comes above ground, there's this like coupling here. I'm going to cut it right here and reuse it, okay? I was kind of like the way that this hub here kind of fits like on the inside like that. That's pretty nice. So I'm going to keep that. Okay, well here we are. I removed the water filter and the check valve that was above ground right here. Now I got flow, okay? As you can see, this is a steady flow right here. It's not exactly what I prefer. I'm not too sure why I'm not getting that steady flow. I almost think I'm sucking in air maybe from the bottom of this well. I'm not sure yet. I'm going to turn this off right here. Okay. Let it build up some pressure. And by the way, I put in the union, okay, right here. That way I can disconnect the pump system from the well point whenever I need to, which I may need to. Not sure yet. So, I don't know why. See, this pump here, when it gets to certain amount of pressure, it should shut off. So it would cycle on and off, but so far it hasn't shut off. Because the pressure tank hasn't built up enough pressure for it to cycle off. So, I mean, now when if I release the valve here, we'll get a gush of air, of water coming out, as you can see. Okay, look at that. From the pressure tank storing some of the water. Then it kind of dwindles down to a small stream. I don't know. I'll keep you updated.